with various countries in the world. India's relation, how are the India's relation with neighboring countries? How is India's relation with other countries in the world? So हम इस चैप्टर में इंडिया का फॉरेन कंट्रीज के साथ कैसे रिलेशन है इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. इंडिया का पाकिस्तान से कैसे रिलेशन है, इंडिया का अमेरिका से कैसा रिलेशन है, इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट let us see which are the neighboring countries of India. So this is India. So in the west we are having Pakistan, then Afghanistan. In the northeast we are having China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Thailand, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, and countries like Malaysia. These are the neighboring countries of India. But India is also having good relations with neighboring countries and also having some good relations with the countries that are far away from India. So if you see this map, so expect China and Pakistan, all the countries are having peaceful relations with India. And there are other countries like United States of America, Russia, Japan, Australia, and other countries in Africa also are having good relations with India. So in this chapter we will talk about the nearby countries that are with India and also with the countries that are far away from India. So both we will discuss how are India's relation with both type of countries. So let us begin with the chapter. So in this chapter we will study about India's relation with neighboring countries. We will also understand India's relation with some faraway nations. Faraway nations are nations that are far away from the country, far away from India. So इस चैप्टर में हम इंडिया के करीबी जो कंट्रीज है उनके बारे में भी, इंडिया के जो पड़ोसी कंट्रीज है उनके बारे में भी पढ़ेंगे, और इंडिया से जो दूर कंट्रीज है जैसे अमेरिका है, जापान है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, इनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो शुरुआत करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट इंडिया एंड हर नेबर्स. इंडिया एंड हर नेबर्स. द नेबर्स आर Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Afghanistan. So these are the India's neighbors. So India's position in Asia is geographically and politically important. So if you take this map as an example, so this is the map of South Asia. So in South Asia, if you see Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, so India's position is very much important. भारत का जो position है, it is very much important. So around 40% of the trade, world trade, that is carried out by using boat or ships. So 40% of the trade is carried out by using the Indian Ocean. So as India is nearby the Indian Ocean, so India is having very much important location here. So Afghanistan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, China, Maldives are India's neighbors. So the values of equality, all countries are equal, and mutual respect, respecting each other, have been great importance in India.